Are you tired of struggling to make ends meet, feeling like prosperity is always just out of reach? Do you find yourself constantly battling the stress of financial instability, wondering if there's a way to break free from this cycle? Imagine a life where abundance flows effortlessly into your home, where your living space radiates positive energy, and your financial worries become a thing of the past. Intrigued? This might sound like a distant dream, but with the ancient wisdom of Buddhism and the simple yet powerful tool of salt, you can transform your life and manifest the prosperity you desire. The magic powers of salt can also be used to invite positive energies, such as those of wealth and prosperity. An old saying goes, "May you always have salt at home, and may you always have money in your pocket." In this guide, we'll explore how salt, revered for its cleansing properties in Buddhist traditions, can help you cleanse your home of negative energies and align your intentions with the flow of abundance. Discover the steps to create a sanctuary that attracts wealth, peace, and happiness, allowing you to thrive in all areas of your life. So make sure you stay till the end, for I will reveal a simple, effective money spell using salt. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more future insights. In both Buddhism and the principles of the law of attraction, salt holds a unique and powerful place. For centuries, salt has been revered in Buddhist traditions for its ability to purify and protect. It is commonly used in rituals to cleanse spaces, remove negative energies, and create a serene environment conducive to meditation and spiritual growth. Meanwhile, in the realm of the law of attraction and manifestation, salt is seen as a tool to help align one's energy with their desires. It is believed that by using salt with intention, one can attract wealth, peace, and happiness into their life. Combining these ancient practices with modern manifestation techniques, we can harness the purifying power of salt to transform our living spaces and invite abundance into our lives. 1. Cleansing your home. To attract wealth, peace, and happiness using salt, start by cleansing your home. One effective method is salt sprinkling. Sprinkle salt in the corners of each room to absorb negative energy. As you do this, focus on removing any bad vibes from your home. Leave the salt for a day, then sweep or vacuum it up and dispose of it outside. Another method is to place small bowls of salt in different parts of your home, particularly in corners and near windows. Let these bowls sit for 24 hours to absorb any negative energy. Afterward, throw the salt away outside. This practice will keep your home feeling light and fresh. For a quick refresh, mix salt with water in a spray bottle and lightly mist your rooms, furniture, and personal items. This saltwater spray is a great way to quickly refresh the energy in your space. 2. Manifesting money. Relating salt rituals to manifesting financial success involves understanding how the act of cleansing and setting intentions can align your energy with your financial goals. By purifying negative energies, setting clear intentions, maintaining positive energy, practicing mindfulness and meditation, and creating a ritualistic routine, you can use salt to attract wealth and prosperity into your life. In both Buddhist traditions and the law of attraction, salt is believed to absorb and neutralize negative energies. Using salt to cleanse your home creates a space free of negativity and blockages that might be hindering your financial progress. This purified environment allows for a clearer, more focused mindset, which is essential for manifesting financial success. You can achieve this by sprinkling salt in the corners of each room, placing small bowls of salt in strategic locations, or using a saltwater spray to refresh the energy in your space. Setting clear intentions is another crucial step in this process. The act of creating a salt jar or using salt in rituals helps to crystallize your financial goals. As you fill a jar with sea salt, visualize the wealth and prosperity you desire. This visualization process helps to direct your subconscious mind towards achieving these goals. Holding the salt jar while reciting positive affirmations daily reinforces your intentions, keeping you focused on your financial aspiration. This practice ensures that your mind is constantly aligned with your desires, making it easier to attract financial success. Maintaining positive energy is equally important. Keeping a salt jar in a prominent place in your home or carrying a small amount with you serves as a constant reminder of your financial goals and helps maintain positive energy. This continuous alignment of your thoughts and actions with your financial desires creates a conducive environment for attracting wealth. The salt jar acts as a tangible representation of your intentions, reinforcing your commitment to achieving your financial goals. Integrating mindfulness and meditation practices further enhances the effectiveness of salt rituals. Spending a few minutes each day meditating with your salt jar helps to clear your mind and visualize your financial success. This practice not only reduces stress, but also aligns your energy with the abundance you seek, making it easier to attract financial opportunities. Meditation allows you to focus your thoughts and intentions, creating a mental space where prosperity can flourish. Creating a ritualistic routine is the final step in this process. Regularly incorporating salt rituals into your routine establishes a consistent practice of focusing on your financial goals. Whether it's sprinkling salt in the corners of your home, placing salt bowls in strategic locations, or using a saltwater spray, these rituals serve as daily or weekly reminders to stay committed to your financial journey. By making these practices a regular part of your life, you ensure that your energy remains aligned with your financial aspiration, paving the way for lasting success. By understanding and implementing these detailed steps, you can effectively use salt to manifest financial success. The combination of cleansing negative energies, setting clear intentions, maintaining positive energy, practicing mindfulness, and establishing a ritualistic routine creates a powerful framework for attracting wealth and prosperity into your life. 3. A proven money spell. To further enhance your financial manifestation using salt, you can try this proven money spell that turns salt into dollars by saying 9 magic words. Yes, this really is true. Simply by repeating these 9 special words, you'll see amazing results. If you're unhappy with your current lifestyle and in need of some serious money, this spell can be the answer you're looking for. Let's face it, there's nothing worse than working hard all your life and finding you've little left at the end of the month to show for it. You deserve more than just a mundane existence, and today is when it all starts to change. Did you know that by requesting the right kind of energy from an everyday ingredient found in your home, you can manifest total financial abundance? It's 100% true if you know how. This everyday ingredient is simply salt, and what the following 9-word money chant will do is turn everyday salt into dollars in cash at a rate that will truly astound you. Before we start the money spell, it's important to remember that it might not work for everyone. Money spells, like the one we'll use, come from different cultural and spiritual traditions. These spells involve rituals and chants that are supposed to attract wealth and prosperity. Many people believe in these spells and find them meaningful, but there's no scientific proof that they actually work. However, believing in these spells and setting clear goals can have a big psychological impact. It can help people focus on what they want to achieve and take actions that might lead to financial success. Money spells are often used in folk magic, Wiccan practices, and other spiritual systems that focus on the power of intention and energy. These spells are symbolic actions meant to align a person's thoughts with their desires, helping them feel more in control and proactive about reaching their financial goals. In the end, whether a money spell works depends on your beliefs. While the spells might not directly bring you money, they can help create a positive mindset, which can lead to better decisions and more opportunities to make money. Here is the simple yet potent money spell. First, you need a half cup of salt, which can be either normal table salt, rock salt, or sea salt. Then, you need a glass of cold water, filled to the brim. After you say each of the 9 words and phrases below, take a pinch of salt from the cup and sprinkle it into the glass of water. Say out loud each sentence below that contains the magic word, and quickly sprinkle a pinch of salt into the glass of water after each sentence. Salt of one day gone, my spell has begun. Salt of Timbuktu, finance is new. Salt of 3 a base, money will come to me. Salt of 4 C4, opportunity will knock on my door. Salt of 5 empire, prosperity thrives. Salt of 6 abraxas, this spell is then fixed. Salt of 7 moto, success is a given. Salt of 8 filler, money is indeed great. Salt of 9 abigas, all these things are mine. After completing the chant, take the glass of water with the 9 pinches of salt in it, and pour it into the base of a tree or plant near your home. It's very important to repeat this exact money chant and ritual 2 more times over the next 2 days. After 3 days, the salt in your cup will be gone, and an abundance of money and dollars will be attracted right to you. Enjoy, you deserve it. By combining the purifying power of salt with the principles of the law of attraction, you can create a powerful ritual that supports your financial aspiration. This holistic approach not only cleanses your physical space, but also aligns your mental and spiritual energies with your financial goals, paving the way for financial success and abundance. Regularly incorporating these salt rituals into your routine establishes a consistent practice of focusing on your financial goals, ensuring a harmonious flow of positive energy in your life. May your home be cleansed, your energy aligned, and your life filled with prosperity. Namaste.